today's issue I'm having is that my check engine light is on, and it's saying that my vent purge solenoid for the EVAP back here by the gas tank is bad. You can kind of see it up through there. It's right there. But whenever I disconnected the electrical connector, I found this, which could very well be my problem. Yikes. Also, my fuel readings weren't exactly right, so I'm betting this connector here is pretty toasty. I'm going to do the best I can at cleaning it. I think probably what would be the best idea to do would be really just to replace this pigtail here. What I'm going to do to kind of get in there and clean all this is to take some pop and in this can and then mechanically clean it with this like dental pick that I picked up. These things are awesome for O-rings and several other projects that you'll be working in that can be pretty tight. I'm going to put a little pop in this here and let it soak, kind of scrape it out some and clean it off the best I can and see if I can't get at least a decent connection. So we'll see how that does on my problem. Oh man, a second ago you could hear that thing just sizzling. Let's see if I can get it going again. Yeah, it's kind of cleaning it off a little bit. I don't know if I'll be able to stick that in there. I guess I better take this other one off here and try and put the whole thing up there. Alright, well, let's see what happens. That's got pop in it to help dissolve some of that corrosion. Obviously you will want to do this with your car off. Key off, yes. Well, that's eating up some of that corrosion on there. I mean, a little bit. And it ain't going to be perfect. I think I'm still going to need a new connector and wire that in. But maybe I can get it with just some scraping. I don't know how much I've actually got up inside there. The pins themselves don't look that bad. It looks like it's just the connector back here. So maybe this will help you fix your problem. Let's try and get it cleaned up and hook back up and clear the code and see how it does then. Alright, I cleaned it out a little bit, this connector here. I mean, it's not perfect, as you can see. There's still some black on it. I didn't try to get it to a mere shine. I just wanted to get as much of that gunk off as I possibly could, and it's better. I'm going to plug it in here and see how it does, see if I get any better results. But this is one area to check when you're having electrical problems. You know, check your connector, just make sure you're even getting a good signal going to it. You know, it may not even be the sensor, it just may be an electrical connection. So one thing to check whenever you're trying to fix an electrical issue, especially on these 3400s, they seem to have a few minor issues with them, as you can see from my videos. Alright, get this plugged in, check it.